Hello and welcome. I'm Sanjay Chawla, Chief Product Officer at Salient Systems. In this session, I'm excited to share with you a little bit of the magic that Salient has to offer. We'll start with a quick overview of Salient's products, dive deep into Salient's video management software, and wrap up with a sneak peek of product updates. Salient offers a remarkable set of products that are appropriate for any scale, whether it's just a few cameras or a few thousand, and whether it's just one security guard who has to access video streams or an army of users that needs to access video streams. Salient is the industry's most intuitive and scalable video management solution. Let's talk about how we deliver this simplicity at scale. To begin, Salient's flagship offering is its Complete View VMS, or video management software. Like any VMS, Complete View plays a central role in storing video streams from cameras, allowing users to access both live and recorded video, and ultimately make both security decisions and business decisions from the insight gained from all of this video data. Now, many organizations are continuing to push beyond security and leverage the insights from the petabytes of stored video data into actionable business initiatives. Salient really shines here as well. One of the things that makes Complete View remarkable is its open architecture, able to work with any camera, access control solution, PSIM, or even analytics package. Additionally, Salient has a very intuitive interface that allows very easy access to live and stored video, an intuitive way to manage real-time events, and generally get those really useful insights out of video. In addition to the video management software, Salient also provides servers that make it very easy to get a system ready to use out of the box. As a part of the servers that Salient provides, we also offer a design tool wizard to make it a breeze to figure out how to get the right system for the needs that you have. Additionally, Salient also has some really amazing training and certifications and world-class support. But let's focus a little bit on the Complete View VMS. Complete View is one of the easiest, simplest, and most scalable solutions in the marketplace. It has a unified user experience across all platforms, whether you're accessing it from the desktop client, the mobile client, or from your browser. Now, to dig into this and to focus on some of the features that make Complete View both easy to use and very scalable to large camera count systems, I'm going to hand off to Chris, who's going to take us through a demo. So Chris, let's dive into Complete View and do a showcase of some of its key capabilities.
Hello, this is Chris Garner. I'm a product manager here at Salient Systems.
Complete View allows you to easily access live and recorded video, as well as monitor events within your system. Logging into Complete View is done through either Active Directory, Windows authentication, or through the embedded user authentication for the VMS. Once you log in, you'll be presented with your home screen, which can include different tasks. These tasks can include dashboard, configuration, where system configurations can be taken care of, maintenance to maintain the system health and perform diagnostics, playback, alarm view, and live view. By selecting one of these tasks, you'll be brought into the user interface of that task. Within the live view, you'll be presented with a tree structure along the left-hand side, as well as your toolbar across the top. This allows you to easily switch between different tasks, as well as dock new tasks to your toolbar. You can easily switch between different views by simply selecting the new view. You'll notice that we have a view of your different cameras in that view, as well as maps and alarms which are occurring within the system in real time. You'll also notice by switching to different views, the map being displayed will correspond to the view as configured. You can easily take and add multiple tabs to your views by simply right-clicking and selecting Add to New Tab. This allows you to switch between two different views or more within a given view layout. You'll notice in live view that the camera icons do change color when there is an event. You can also hover over an icon in the map to see the video from that camera, as well as provide you right-click access to create a snapshot, perform a quick review, or go to the recorded video. This same right-click menu option is available throughout Complete View. You can easily add your own custom views by expanding the custom favorites sections of the tree and going down into selecting custom, then views, and select a new view. Here you're able to select from a provided template or create your own layout. You can set the aspect ratio, give it a name, and then even expand and look for cameras across your different servers. When trying to identify the cameras, you may be able to search based on a given name to easily see the cameras from those different servers. In this example, I've narrowed it down to the cameras I'm looking for. I will drag some cameras into the view. And let's find another camera here. You can see this allows you to easily find the cameras that you're looking for. Once you've selected the various cameras that you want within a view, you can save that and then expand, and you will see your new view within your custom favorites, custom views. By selecting the view here, you're able to easily and quickly look at the cameras. In this particular situation here, if you'll notice across the top row of this view, I've taken a multi-imager camera, which sends Complete View 3 different streams, and created one seamless view. This makes setting up multi-imager cameras in a unique configuration to allow you to see the relevant areas for that camera. You'll also notice that we have the ability to do what we call GeoView. This allows you to select one or more cameras on a map by simply clicking the select camera icon and selecting a group of cameras and then going to live view. That will bring those cameras in from that particular view to a temporary view. This allows you to look at those cameras in a given area for your that is relevant for your search. From Complete View, you're able to easily switch to doing alarm view or playback. From your live view here, you're able to easily right-click on a video and select from your right-click menu the type of recording you're looking for. From live view, we can easily transition to playback by right-clicking on a camera, selecting recorded video, and then select the type of playback you're looking for. Complete View supports a review for video in a timeline, so by date, time, by a list view for types of events, or by thumbnail. We'll select to review in timeline, which will bring us to our playback window. Here we can see the video is pre-populated. We have the scale of the recorded video for today, the different event types that are supported, scheduled, motion, or alarm. We can change the date as well as scroll in to get greater granularity into the recorded time frame. From here, we can easily transition to other search types. You'll notice I am now in a event search, and by toggling the icons, we can go to a list view or to a thumbnail view. The camera and the server are pre-populated for you. You select search and it will start pulling up the video for the thumbnail search. This allows you to quickly identify when an object appeared in the scene. By clicking the plus button, it will expand that time frame. You can continue to dive into each of the time frames till you find the area that you're looking for. This allows you to more quickly identify when objects were left or entered the scene. We'll switch back to the list view. Here I will select a different camera, and we can see that we have both scheduled as well as alarm in the view. I can filter this at the bottom by unselecting the different view types or event types. Here we can see all of the different face detection events that were triggered on this camera. We can select individual ones for the play, or by selecting this icon at the bottom, we can do a sequential playback where it will automatically play from one clip to the next for you. Complete View's alarm client allows you to easily monitor the active events in your system. The alarm client provides you ability to view from 4 to 64 cameras, which will be shown when there's an active alarm in the view pane. You'll also notice in the map area that the camera icon changes when there is an event. You're able to scroll over the camera icon to see the live video, as well as access its right-click menu for recorded video, quick review, or creating a snapshot. Additionally, there's a list of events that have occurred, which you're able to scroll through, perform a search. In this case, I can search by a camera name to see all the relevant cameras, or if there's a description of the event type, I can search that. Once I find the event that I'm looking for, I can select that event, and we will see up in the top section here the recorded video for that alarm, as well as the live video that is currently happening at that scene. From here, you can easily take a snapshot or add this video clip to your export queue.
Thanks, Chris, for the quick tour of Complete View. From the product walkthrough you just got, a few things really stand out about Complete View. First, live video is so easy to work with. Switching between views is a breeze, but more importantly, things like rapidly creating an on-demand view just by dragging a set of cameras on the map is an incredibly powerful tool to equip users and operators to get the most out of their live video. Additionally, the playback is also very easy to work with. It's easy to search all the stored video you have and rapidly get access to the clip that you're looking for, whether you're looking through thumbnails, using date time, or looking at event logs. And you can do this across any camera, across any recording server that's a part of your system. And lastly, when it comes to the alarm management interface, it really helps operators prevent fatigue. Instead of staring at feeds from dozens upon dozens of cameras, the alarm view ensures that only the most important things that are happening are getting attention from an operator. Overall, we got a quick taste from the demo that Chris did of how Salient is really the industry's easiest and most scalable VMS solution. So let's talk a little bit about why people choose Salient. At the end of the day, Salient has unmatched scalability. It's able to grow with your camera system, whether it's just a few cameras or tens or hundreds of thousands. Additionally, the open architecture means that you never have to worry about any type of vendor lock-in. It's actually very easy to use Salient with analog and IP cameras. There's no additional cost or fee in migrating from analog to IP, you can even reuse those licenses. It has very nice integrations because of its open architecture and interfaces. And it's very easy to use even third-party recording systems or existing cameras. And lastly, Salient has a very, very affordable cost of ownership with the dynamic resolution scaling that's done on the server. Bandwidth costs are a fraction of what other systems offer. The licensing is very straightforward. There's no additional fees for mobile or web clients. There's no additional systems that need to be added, no additional servers. Salient really works out of the box, has a consistent experience, and is very upfront about all the cost elements. Now, let's get a quick sneak peek of some of the product updates that we have coming soon. This is a quick sneak peek of Salient's HTML5 web client. This is a major update to Salient's web client experience. It requires no plugins, no installation. It's a really modern Angular application that just runs in the browser. And what's really exciting is the experience is very, very similar to the experience that we just saw on the desktop client. The UI is incredibly consistent. It's possible to access all the same views and maps in live view. It's possible to search for cameras regardless of the recording server that they're on. The right-click menus are still the same in terms of taking snapshot, doing exports, going back to recorded video. And all the same playback options exist as well in terms of being able to search and sort by all of the same capabilities. This is a sneak peek of Salient's new iOS client. This is the new generation of mobile client that Salient is coming out with, and it's a major update to the mobile clients that Salient has previously had. Let's jump into the iOS experience. So the TouchView mobile app, again, is incredibly consistent with the experience that we saw with the desktop client. It's got some of the same tiles, and again, it's very powerful from an ability to search and access all of the views, rapidly going to the views that are already configured on the system, being able to access recordings, search for cameras, get access to maps. And again, this is just a taste of the consistency in the platform that Salient provides. Thanks for making the time to tune into this session.